In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Eraser in Adobe Express. First, open Adobe Express and load the design that already contains the image you want to refine. Once your design is in the editor, click directly on the image. This selects it and opens the Image Properties panel on the side, which is where you'll find the tools you need for precise cleanup. In that panel, click Erase to enter the Erase workspace. This focused view is designed for removing unwanted parts of your image, whether you're cleaning up a background or trimming small details. You'll start by choosing a brush type. Quick selection is great when you want Adobe Express to do most of the heavy lifting. It analyzes the area you click and drag over and tries to automatically select larger, similar regions, perfect for bigger chunks like backgrounds or solid color areas. If you need more manual precision, switch to the circle brush. With it, you simply paint over the exact parts you want to remove, giving you full control around edges, fine details, and complex shapes. Before you paint, adjust your brush settings for best results. Size controls how big your brush is. Use a larger size for broad areas and a smaller one for tight corners. Hardness affects the edge of your brush. A higher hardness creates a crisp edge, useful for clearly defined objects, while a lower hardness gives a softer, feathered edge that blends more naturally. Opacity determines how strong the erasing effect is. Lower opacity lets you gently fade elements out, layer by layer, instead of removing them in one pass. Now paint over the unwanted area. As you drag, the tool erases in real time, so you can see the results immediately. If the auto selection grabs more than you intended, reduce your brush size, zoom in for accuracy, or switch to the circle brush to tidy up the edges. Take your time around hair, textures, and curved lines. Smaller, softer strokes often look more natural. If you make a mistake, simply undo and try a smaller brush or a different hardness setting. When you're happy with the edit, click Done to apply your changes and return to the main editor. From there, you can continue designing, add text or graphics, and preview how the cleaned-up image fits with the rest of your layout. That's all there is to it. Using the eraser in Adobe Express is quick, flexible, and ideal for both big cleanups and fine-tuned details.